Hello, family. So I got the opportunity to join Taro spaghetti training, and I was like, why don't I share it with my family? Yes, so that you can also practice at home, right? So with this, the ingredient that was used was the taro flour and then leguminous flour with egg and water. Yeah, that was it. That was it. So it is something that you can do at home. Very simple. So we started everything by prepping, getting all the stuffs ready. So the taro was already processed into flour, and then the legumes like soya bean, bambara beans was already processed into flour. So we're using a ratio of 60 is to 40, and then we made a total of 120 grams of the taro flour, and then we use 80 grams of the leguminous flour, right? So whatever legumes you have at home, be it bambara beans or soya bean, you if you are going to do 120 gram of the taro flour, you use 80 gram of the legume flour, right? And then we add 1 egg to it, and then we add water. So we learned that when you are adding egg to it, that means you'll be using 130 ml of water, and if you're not adding egg to it, you'll use 40 ml of water. So the egg is an optional, and you need to weigh everything to have a correct ratio, that is 60 is to 40, which is the 60 is the taro, and then the 40% is the leguminous flour.
Suppose you can one, ube use two best 40. And it depending also on legume now we use. If you want my everything so baby, if you want my everything so baby. Into no oya would now wash it. Say a catcher bra. Won't me any and found fat machine. Oh yeah, a becky came, a baby in so near booby. Into oya no so now I share. Into now what?
So we also learned that you have to be careful with the water that you are adding to your mixture, because if it is too soft, the machine cannot roll it and then cut it into that spaghetti form for you. So you have to monitor the water, because the leguminous content can also determine that either the water quantity can reduce or increase.
I've gotten some. Oh, okay. Please open the bin from. Okay. Thank you.
And you can use your hands to easily mix it. If you have the machine to mix it, fine, but you have to note that taro flour is very soft, and if care is not taken when you on the machine, the flour will splash on your face and in the room. So you just have to mix a bit of water, use your hands to do it. But if you are doing it in large scale, that is where you can go for the machine. And whilst you are mixing, you are checking your water to get the consistency in the video. So just study the consistency in the video, not soft, too soft, and not too hard, which will cause it to break.
Me the machine no, I sheeting no, I'm an flat, but maybe say you use it in a machine, you can't get the flattest. It's mean a flat fancy them. Which is nice a one as well as any I can see. It's really plates and when I'm getting there is some that
So right after mixing, the next stage is to make the sheet out of it. So if you have a correct machine that can make the sheet for you, hola, you are ready to go. But our machine was a bit misbehaving, so we needed to go by the traditional rolling. So we use the roller and roll it to form the sheet. So you have to make it as thin as possible. Thinner, thinner. Right? So you have to make it as thin as possible or how you want it.
They are doing the street. So what we bring about the spiral is the machine.
Oh, don't worry. I want to tissue of furniture with us. Hello, but that's a tissue, man. What are partitioning number? Who's trying she has to sheet at the side. And I be conversation coming up.
After rolling and cutting all the edges, the next thing is to go to your machine ready to cut it for you, right? So you have to do your settings, get your machine ready to operate, and then you put the sheets at the part that does the cutting, and it will cut it nicely and beautifully for you. I guess if you don't have the machine, then I think we can use a knife to cut, but we wouldn't get it smooth and solid like this. But yeah, we can use the knife to try something out. What do you think? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave your comment at the comment section.
You pass it through
Just leave it. And lawyer will drag it. Now what they will serve at the show you can use your left hand. You can use the right hand to cut it, and then the left hand to cut it.
In between the two, right?
Yes.
To say you're
But the cocoa didn't. They chill. And
I cannot see you. No, but I couldn't see. So it's supposed to be someone because they are looking at it. I've tried.
I am not
You try your best.
So it's nice.
I'm going to say, yeah, maybe.
After cutting into the shapes that you want, the next stage is to dry it. So there's this machine that was used to dry. I don't know the alternative. You can use a dehydrator. I guess I will try that to see if a dehydrator will work. But this was a dryer, a dry line for it, and then you leave it to dry overnight, right? So you leave it to dry overnight. So we're kind of doing an experiment. Can we cook it? How will it look like after cooking? So we skip the drying stage. Yes, we want to eat. We want to taste it, you get it. And then we made some yummy spaghetti out of it. Yeah, with our oil, vegetables, and sausage. Yeah, and it was nice, very delicious. Thank you for watching.